The aroma of baked salmon, lemon and herbs fills the air.
Laughter and conversation flow around the dinner table.
The Thompson family is gathered for their evening meal, enjoying each other's company and a delicious, heart-healthy dish.
Mum smiles as she watches her children eagerly reach for seconds of the flavourful salmon.
Dad shares stories from his day, his face glowing with warmth and good health.
This is family time at its best, nourished by good food and even better company.
The Thompson family understands the importance of healthy eating habits, and salmon plays a starring role in their journey toward optimal well-being.
Their shared meals are a celebration of good food, good health, and the unbreakable bonds of family.
Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals and protein, but the real star of the show is omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for our bodies, playing a crucial role in brain function, reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids are considered essential because our bodies can't produce them on their own. We need to obtain them through our diet, and salmon is an excellent source. Incorporating salmon into your diet is like giving your heart a powerful shield against disease.
Salmon is incredibly versatile, lending itself to a variety of cooking methods and flavour profiles. Whether you prefer it baked, grilled, pan-seared or poached, there's a salmon recipe out there for everyone. For a quick and easy weeknight meal, try baking salmon fillets with a drizzle of olive oil, lemon juice and a sprinkle of herbs. Serve it alongside a colourful salad and a side of quinoa or brown rice for a complete and satisfying meal. Grilling salmon brings out its natural flavours, creating a smoky and slightly charred exterior. Marinate it in your favourite herbs and spices before grilling to enhance its taste. No matter how you choose to prepare it, salmon is a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal.
As a doctor, I'm always encouraging my patients to prioritize heart health, and incorporating salmon into their diets is one of the simplest yet most effective steps they can take, says Dr. Emily Carter, a leading cardiologist. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon have been scientifically proven to lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Dr. Carter emphasizes that making small, sustainable changes to our eating habits can have a significant impact on our long-term health outcomes. Start by incorporating salmon into your meals once or twice a week, and gradually increase your intake as you feel comfortable. She also stresses the importance of choosing wild-caught salmon whenever possible, as it tends to be lower in contaminants and higher in omega-3s compared to farm-raised salmon. Reading labels and making informed choices about the food we consume is crucial for our well-being, Dr. Carter adds. By following her expert advice, we can all take proactive steps toward improving our heart health and living longer, healthier lives.
Section 5. Omega-3 Powerhouse. Unlocking the benefits for your heart. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Here are some of the key benefits. Lower blood pressure, reduced triglycerides, improved cholesterol levels, decreased risk of blood clots, and improved heart rhythm. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you're giving your heart a powerful dose of these beneficial fatty acids. Protect your heart from disease and promote optimal function.
Section 6. Family fun and fitness, building healthy habits together. The Thompson family understands that a healthy lifestyle goes beyond just eating right. They make it a priority to stay active together, enjoying outdoor activities and creating lasting memories.
On weekends, you can find them hiking in the nearby mountains, their laughter echoing through the trees.
Whether it's a bike ride through the park, a game of frisbee in the backyard, or a family dance party in the living room, the Thompsons are committed to making fitness a fun and integral part of their lives.
Section 7. Salmon for all ages, a delicious choice for everyone. Salmon is a versatile fish that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. From toddlers to grandparents, salmon provides essential nutrients that support growth, development, and overall well-being. For young children, salmon is an excellent source of protein, DHA, and vitamin D, all crucial for healthy brain development, strong bones, and a robust immune system. No matter your age, salmon is a delicious and nutritious choice that can help you live a longer, healthier life.
Section 8. culinary delights, creating flavorful salmon dishes. Cooking salmon doesn't have to be intimidating. In fact, it's quite simple and allows for endless creativity in the kitchen. Start by selecting high-quality salmon fillets, preferably wild-caught. Look for fillets that are firm to the touch and have a vibrant reddish-orange color. Marinate your salmon in a flavorful blend of herbs, spices, and citrus juices for a burst of flavor. Baking salmon in parchment paper or foil is a great way to lock in moisture and flavor. No matter how you choose to prepare it, salmon is a culinary delight that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body.
Section 9. Active and vibrant, enjoying life with a healthy heart. Imagine a life filled with energy, vitality, and the freedom to pursue your passions without limitations. That's the promise of a healthy heart. And incorporating salmon into your diet is a significant step toward making that vision a reality. Picture yourself hiking scenic trails with loved ones, your heart beating strong with each step. By prioritizing your heart health, you're not just adding years to your life, but adding life to your years. So embrace a heart-healthy lifestyle, savor the flavors of salmon, and unlock a world of possibilities.
Section 10. Nutritionist's Corner expert tips for incorporating salmon into your diet. Salmon is one of my favorite foods to recommend to clients because it's so nutritious and versatile, says Sarah Jones, a registered dietitian and nutritionist. It's a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, all essential for maintaining good health. Jones suggests aiming for at least 2 servings of fatty fish, such as salmon, per week. Get creative in the kitchen and find ways to incorporate salmon into your meals that you and your family will love. By following these expert tips, you can easily incorporate salmon into your diet and reap its numerous health benefits.
Section 11. Heart Health Hero, reducing the risk of heart disease with salmon. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is that it's often preventable through lifestyle modifications, including a heart-healthy diet. Studies have shown that consuming fatty fish, such as salmon, at least twice a week can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. This remarkable reduction in risk is attributed to the abundance of omega-3 fatty acids in salmon. By making salmon a regular part of your diet, you're essentially giving your heart a protective shield against disease.
Section 12. A toast to heart health, embracing a healthier lifestyle together. As the Thompson family gathers around their dinner table, their faces glowing with health and happiness, they raise a toast to heart health.
Their journey toward a healthier lifestyle is an ongoing adventure filled with delicious discoveries, fun activities, and the unwavering support of their loved ones.
Their story is an inspiration to us all, reminding us that small changes can make a big difference.
So let's follow the Thompson family's lead and embrace a heart-healthy lifestyle, starting with a delicious serving of salmon. Cheers to a healthier, happier future.